I don't know a single business owner who doesn't want to save more time, which is why today I'm showing you one of my favorite tools that saves me a ton of time in my business. If you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe. I post weekly videos helping you save time and look good online, and Dubsado definitely helps you do both of those things. This video is not sponsored. They don't even know I'm making this video, but Dubsado helps you elevate your client process. So today I wanted to show you 3 of my favorite features in Dubsado. First on the list is the invoicing. So a lot of my clients want a payment plan for my services, which is totally fine. Dubsado makes it super easy because I can say, here's the total, this is when it's due, and they will take care of sending the reminders to my clients to say, hey, your next payment is due. And a nice little bonus feature, they have a tipping feature. So if your clients feel you went above and beyond and you deserve some extra moolah, they can give you some extra moolah. Second on the list is the workflow feature. So a lot of programs will have this workflow where it's like, hey, this is the next step in your workflow, but then you still have to do it. With Dubsado, you can say, hey, once they've signed the contract, they've paid their deposit, then send them the questionnaire. They don't get the questionnaire before they do the other 2 things. I especially love this for sending up my follow-up questionnaires to get client reviews and testimonials, because I tend to forget that sometimes, and my workflow will automatically send it to them once our project is done. And last but not least is the forms. So I know we all have to get some client information, like either it's login information or just information about their business or their project, whatever. Well, what's great about Dubsado forms is A, they can save a draft of their form so they can come back and finish it later. And B, they can go back even after they've submitted it and it's saved and sent to us, they can change their answer if they need to. This is really handy if they accidentally type in the wrong password for something, or they change the title of something but you haven't even begun working, then you don't have that information over here and all the other information over here. It stays all in one place. Okay, and maybe the best part of Dubsado for you is that you can start on Dubsado totally free. You can have up to 3 clients before you start paying for Dubsado. There's no limits. They just show you everything, let you try it out when you have up to 3 people, and then you can start paying if you want to use it. Pretty awesome if you ask me. I do have a link below if you want to try it out. If you have any questions about Dubsado, let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.